ଅନଲିମିଟେଡ ଦଉନି କି?
କଣ କଣ?
ଅନଲିମିଟେଡ ଦଉଛି ପରା।
କିଏ ଅନଲିମିଟେଡ ଦଉଛି?
ଜିଓ
5G ଜିଓ
5G।
ମୋର ମୋବାଇଲ ହିଁ 5G
5G ଟା
ନୁହେଁ।
ଅନଲିମିଟେଡ ରହୁଛି ନା ସାର୍?
ମୋର ମୋବାଇଲ ହିଁ 5G
ଓହୋ
ନୁହେଁ, 4G।
ହଁ ସେଇ
4G କି 4G କଣ କହୁଛୁ?
ଯୋଉଟା ଭାବିପାର।
अरे
इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी
सीरियसली
प्रमोशन स्कीम Electric Mobility Promotion Scheme 2024 has been launched under which ministry?
मिनिस्ट्री पावर
EMPS 2024 Electric Mobility Promotion Scheme 2024 under Ministry of Heavy Industries. FAME 2 scheme has been launched under which ministry?
कोंडा कोंडा
FAME 2 scheme, FAME
फेम
2,
हाँ
FAME फुल फॉर्म एग्जाम रे पड़िबो कौन फुल फॉर्म? Faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles. Faster adoption
हाँ
and manufacturing of electric vehicles has been launched under which ministry? Ministry of Heavy Industries. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina scheme to promote girl education? Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina.
ଆସାମ
Very good. Assam.
वो
ଆସାମ
Assam. Assam has launched Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina scheme to promote girl education.
गर्ल्स एजुकेशन।
बेसी किसी स्कीम लॉन्च ହେଇନି लास्ट 6 ମାସରେ ଯାହା ହେଇଛି। मोदी जी launched which scheme that is a rooftop solar power scheme?
ସୌର୍ୟ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ ଅପସନ୍?
सूर्य घर
प्रधानमंत्री सूर्योदय योजना।
सूर्य शक्ति
सूर्योदय
योजना।
सूर्योदय सूर्योदय
प्रधानमंत्री सूर्योदय योजना to how many households?
सोलर पैनल
To how many households?
हाउस होल्ड्स
1 crore
1 करोड़
1
1
crore
करोड़
एग्जाम रे एमती क्वेश्चन भी आसे सेति जानिबा दरकार। Which ministry has launched a new solar power scheme with an outlay of 515 crore for electrification in habitations and villages of PVTG? What is PVTG?
particularly vulnerable
Tribal groups. Particularly vulnerable tribal groups ର जो village ଅଛି ଆଉ habitation ଅଛି ସେଠି electrification ପାଇଁ କୋଉ ministry launch କରିଛି new solar power scheme with outlay of 515 crore? Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has launched a new solar power scheme with an outlay of 515 crore for electrification in habitations and villages of PVTGs. The scheme was launched under which abhiyan? PM Janman Yojana. What is PM Janman Yojana? Full form? प्रधानमंत्री जनजाति आदिवासी न्याय अभियान। काली कही परदिन बोधे परदिन प्रधानमंत्री जनजाति आदिवासी न्याय अभियान PM जनमन अभियान. This scheme was launched under this PM Janman Yojana. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyamita Abhiyan to assist women of self-help group?
उत्तर प्रदेश।
ये उड़ीसा
मुख्यमंत्री महिला उद्यमिता अभियान. Assam. Assam government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyamita Abhiyan to develop 4 million self-help group women as rural micro entrepreneur. So number is important. 4 million self-help group women, and they will become Lakhpati Baidos, that is elder sister. Which state or union territory? No, union territory. Which union territory has become the first union territory to implement Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Yojana?
Kashmir.
Jammu Kashmir.
Jammu
Jammu
Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Very good.
Jammu Kashmir.
Jammu Kashmir. Which state government has launched Sri Ram Lala Darshan scheme for pilgrimage to
Chhattisgarh.
UP.
Ayodhya?
UP, UP.
UP.
Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh government has launched Ram Lala Sri Ram Lala Darshan scheme to offer people of Chhattisgarh free pilgrimage visit to Ayodhya. Which
ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ
state?
20,000 ନବ।
କଣ?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍।
Which state government has launched Ban Mitra scheme and portal to encourage community partnership in tree plantation activities?
Haryana.
Haryana
Haryana.
state government has launched Van Mitra scheme and portal to encourage community participation in plantation. Which state government has launched Swayam scheme to provide
ଓଡ଼ିଶା।
interest-free loan?
Odisha. Odisha.
Odisha, Odisha.
Important. All facts related to this scheme we have to understand. Odisha has launched Swayam scheme to provide interest-free loan to unemployed youth.
1 lakh.
What is the full form of Swayam scheme? That is important. Swatantra Yuva Udyami scheme. Swatantra Yuva Udyami scheme. Swayam. Under this scheme, eligible youth in which age group?
18ରୁ 35।
18 ରୁ 40।
35।
18 to 35. 18 to 35 can avail loan up to
1 lakh.
1 lakh. 1 lakh to start a new business or expand the existing ones. Farmers enrollment under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has increased by how much percent in financial year 24? Farmers enrollment under PMFBY has increased by what percent in financial year 23-24? 17%, 22%, 27%, 31%.
31%.
27%. Farmers enrollment has increased by 27% under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana in financial year 24. Which ministry has approved scheme to promote manufacturing of e-vehicles in India? ନାରୁ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି।
FAME, ଯୋଉ କଣଟା?
Heavy industry.
Heavy Industries.
Industry.
Ministry of Heavy Industries has approved a new e-vehicle electric vehicle scheme to promote manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India. Which state government has launched MUBA program to nurture youth entrepreneurship?
ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶ। ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶ।
ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶ।
Uttar Pradesh. What is the full form of MUBA?
ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ
मुख्यमंत्री युवा
ଉପାୟ ଉଦ୍ୟୋଗ ଏମିତି କଣ ସାର୍।
विकास अभियान.
Very good. Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Vikas Abhiyan.
विकास अभियान.
So under this program, interest-free loans up to dash
5 lakh. 5
Young
lakh.
entrepreneurs.
5 lakh. 5 lakh.
to 5 lakhs, बिल्कुल up to 5 lakhs for projects in the industry and service sectors. Modi ji launched Mahatari Bandhana Yojana in which state?
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼। ଛତିଶଗଡ଼।
Chhattisgarh. Under this scheme, financial
Yes.
assistance of
ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଆହବ।
what amount?
1000।
1000 rupees to eligible married women through monthly DBT, that is direct benefit transfer. So 1000 per month of financial assistance will be provided to eligible married women. in Chhattisgarh. Which state government has launched Indirama Indlu housing scheme?
तेलंगाना
Telangana.
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 Telangana. Under the scheme, a housing site and what amount of financial assistance will be given?
5 lakh.
5 lakh. 5 lakh. Very good. A housing site and 5 lakh financial assistance will be given to the poor who do not own land. Which state government has launched Krisak Unnati Yojana to provide input assistance to paddy cultivators? Which state government has launched Krisak Unnati Yojana to provide
महाराष्ट्र
input assistance to farmers, paddy cultivators mainly? Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. So all these are last 6 months schemes, state or maybe central government schemes that are in news. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସରେ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା କିଛି ଥିଲା ଆଜି?
ନା sir.
କିଛି ତ ନଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଟିକେ କରିବି କାହିଁକି ନା ପୁରା ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ହେଇନଥିଲା। ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରାଇମ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ବହୁତ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହଉଛି ନାଇଁ? ଶଶିକାନ୍ତ କହିବ ଖାଲି ହେଲା ଆଉ କେହି କହିବନି।
Yes.
ହେସ୍ କ'ଣ ହେସ୍? Cyril Ramaphosa is the president of which country?
साउथ अफ्रीका
South Africa.
ତମ ନା ଶଶିକାନ୍ତ କି?
Ramaphosa ନୁହଁ ତ?
Ramaphosa ନୁହଁ। Next. Claudia Sheinbaum Pardo is the president of which country?
ପାଡୋ?
मेक्सिको ऑप्शन सर
Claudia
Mexico,
Sheinbaum Pardo.
मेक्सिको मेक्सिको
ପାଡୋ?
ଆରେ ତମକୁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଶୁଭୁଛି ଆଉ ଶୁଭୁନି କି?
ତମ ସେଇ ୱାର୍ଡଟା
That is your attraction ନା କ'ଣ
ପାଡୋ।
କହୁଛ? Claudia Sheinbaum Pardo is the new first female president of Mexico ହେଲା ତ ଏଟା ବି ଜାଣିବା ଜରୁରୀ ଯେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଫିମେଲ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ମେକ୍ସିକୋ। Sheikh Sabah Khaled Al Ahmad Al Mubarak Al Sabah is the prince of which country?
साउथ अरेबिया
ସାଉଦି ଆରେବିଆ?
କେତେଟା ଅଲ୍ ଲାଗିଛି ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ କୁହ। Sheikh Sabah Khaled Al Ahmad Al Mubarak Al Sabah.
तीनटा
So country is Kuwait. Kuwait ର
Kuwait.
ନ୍ୟୁ କ୍ରାଉନ୍ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଆଉ କହିବିନି ହେଲା। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହାଲ୍ଲା ତୋମସୋଦୋତିର is the president of which country? Seventh president of which country? Halla Tomasdottir. Scandinavian country.
नॉर्वे रो नॉले स्वीडन नॉले सर डेनमार्क नॉले फिनलैंड आओ
Scandinavian country କିଏ କିଏ?
नॉर्वे स्वीडन डेनमार्क फिनलैंड
ଆଉ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି?
चारटा तो जान
ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ହିଁ ଭୁଲ କହିଦେଲି। ହସୁଛ କ'ଣ? କୁହ ଆନ୍ସର କୁହ। ହାଲ୍ଲା ତୋମସଦୋତିର is the president of which country? Iceland. Filmen
सर नॉर्डिक कंट्री आओ
କ'ଣ କ'ଣ? ହଁ ନର୍ଡିକ୍ countries.
नॉर्डिक कंट्री
ନର୍ଡିକ୍ country ନା?
आगे आगे
Philemon Yang is the president of which organization? କୋଉଥିର ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ଫିଲେମନ୍ ୟାଙ୍ଗ? 79th session of UN General Assembly.
UNGA
ହଁ 79th session of UNGA ଯୋଉଟା ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବରରେ ହବ ତାର ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଫିଲେମନ୍ ୟାଙ୍ଗ। former Prime Minister of Cameroon, Philemon Yang. So, Cyril Ramaphosa is the president of which country, Shashikanta?
ସାଉଥ ଆଫ୍ରିକା
ସାଉଥ ଆଫ୍ରିକା ବା।
ଶଶିକାନ୍ତକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ କୁହେ ସବୁବେଳେ। କଣ କହିବ?
ସାଉଥ ଆଫ୍ରିକା କହୁଛି ବା।
ତମେ ତ ଲେଟ୍ ରେ କହୁଛ, ଜାଣିଛ ଆଉ, ଯେ ମୁଁ କହିବା ଆଗରୁ ଆଉ କିଏ କହିଦବ। ନାଟୋର ନୂଆ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଜେନେରାଲ କିଏ ହେଲେ?
ମାର୍କ
ରୁଟେ ରୁଟେ।
ମାର୍କ ରୁଟ୍। He is from which country?
ନେଦରଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
Netherlands.
ନେଦରଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ପିଏମ୍ ଥିଲା।
ଏବେ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ନା
ନା
ଏବେ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ଏବେ କିଏ ଅଛି ନେଦରଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡର ପ୍ରାଇମ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର?
ଅପସନ ଦେଲେ କହିହବ।
ଆକ୍ଟିଂ ପିଏମ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମାର୍କ ରୁଟ୍। ଆକ୍ଟିଂ ଭଲ କରନ୍ତି। ତପନ କୁମାର ଡେକା ଇଜ ଦ ଡିରେକ୍ଟର ଅଫ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ?
ଆଇବି
IB,
Intelligence Bureau.
Intelligence Bureau. Atul Kumar Chaudhary is the secretary of which organization? BEL, Bharti AXA Life Insurance, Dhanlaxmi Bank, TRAI.
ପ୍ରାଇ
TRAI. What is TRAI?
ଟେଲିକମ୍ ରେଗୁଲେଟରୀ ଅଥରିଟି ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ।
Telecom
Authority
Regulatory
of India.
Authority of India.
Telecom Regulatory Authority of India ର ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଅତୁଲ କୁମାର ଚୌଧୁରୀ। Who is the Director General of FICCI?
ଅନିଶ ଶାହା
ନୂଆ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହଉଛନ୍ତି। DG of FICCI ଜ୍ୟୋତି
ଜ୍ୟୋତି
ବିଜ୍। ଜ୍ୟୋତି ବିଜ୍, ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍। ଜ୍ୟୋତି ବିଜ୍, VIJ. Who is the acting chairperson of NHRC, National Human Rights Commission?
ବିବି ସାୟାନୀ।
VB Sayani, very good. Vijay Bharti Sayani. Who is the principal secretary of Modi ji?
ପିକେ
ଏ
ମିଶ୍ର
ଯୋଉ ଆମର ପିକେ ମିଶ୍ର,
K. Mishra.
ପ୍ରମୋଦ କୁମାର ମିଶ୍ର।
Pramod Kumar Mishra. Who is the chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh?
ପ୍ରେମ ସିଂ ତମାଙ୍ଗ
ନାଇଁ ପେମା ଖାଣ୍ଡୁ।
Pema Khandu. Who is the chief minister of Odisha?
ମୋହନ ମାଝୀ।
ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ
Mohan Charan Majhi. Who has become the first woman deputy chief minister of Odisha?
ପ୍ରଭାତୀ ପରିଡ଼ା।
Prabhati Parida. Another one who has been
କନକ
କନକ
ବର୍ଦ୍ଧନ
ବର୍ଦ୍ଧନ ସିଂହଦେଓ।
Kanak Bardhan Singh Deo. Who is the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh?
ଯୋଉ ଆମର ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରବାବୁ ନାଇଡୁ।
N. Chandrababu Naidu. Who is the chief minister of Sikkim?
ପ୍ରେମ ସିଂ ତମାଙ୍ଗ।
Prem Singh Tamang. Who is the speaker of 18th Lok Sabha?
ଓମ୍ ବିର୍ଲା।
Om Birla.
Om Birla. Who is the leader of opposition in 18th Lok Sabha?
ରାହୁଲ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ।
Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi. Who has been appointed as secretary to Lokpal of India?
ଏମ୍ ଖାନୱାଲକର
Secretary to Lokpal of India.
ପ୍ରଦୀପ କୁମାର ମହାନ୍ତି
Pradeep Kumar
ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ।
Tripathi. Next. Who has been appointed as secretary in Department of Justice? Rakesh Ranjan, Amit
जो
Yadav,
कौनटा-
Rajkumar Goyal, Rajendra Prasad.
ରାଜକୁମାର ଗୋଏଲ କି?
Rajkumar Goyal, secretary in Department of Justice. Who is the secretary in Department of Border Management?
ରାଜେନ୍ଦ୍ର କୁମାର।
Rajendra Kumar. Who is the chairman of Staff Selection Commission?
ରାଜେଶ ରଞ୍ଜନ
ରାକେଶ ରଞ୍ଜନ।
Rakesh Ranjan. Who is the WEF founder going to step back from executive role? Klaus Schwab. Klaus Schwab. Who is the national celebrity ambassador of UNICEF? India.
करीना कपूर
Kareena Kapoor.
करीना कपूर
Kareena Kapoor Khan. बिल्कुल. Who is the new director general of World Organization for Animal Health? Gitanas Noseda,
ए ईमान
Alamai Halina, Emmanuel Soberian, Ellen
हाँ
Nodeho.
एटा इमानुएल सोबेरियन
बिल्कुल. Dr. Emmanuel Soberian, Director General of World Organization for Animal Health. Who is the President of Lithuania? Tolam,
ये जो
Alamai Halina,
नौसेडा
Gitanas Noseda,
नौसेडा
गीतानास नौसेडा
Luis Corona.
नहीं गीतानास नौसेडा
Gitanas Nausėda is the president of Lithuania. Who is the prime minister of Chad?
अलामा हलीना
Alamai Halina. Alamai Halina. To Lam is the president of which country?
वियतनाम
Vietnam. Luis Corona is the president of which country?
डोमिनियन रिपब्लिक
Dominican Republic. William Lai Ching-te is the president of which country?
ताइवान
Taiwan. Muhammad Idris Deby Itno is the president of which country?
चैड
चैट देख चैट रो
Republic
दीटा जाक नुआ हिचंती प्रेसिडेंट हला लंबा प्राइम मिनिस्टर हला छोट एमती मन रखियो नाटा हला मोहम्मद इद्रिस देबी इतनो प्रेसिडेंट आ प्राइम मिनिस्टर हले अलामा हलीना लॉरेंस ओंग इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ व्हिच कंट्री
सिंगापुर
सिंगापुर Andrej Plenkovic is the prime minister of which country
कोना 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 आउदरे
Andrej Plenkovic is the prime minister of which country Croatia
क्रोएशिया
Croatia
हाँ क्रोएशिया
Mikhail Mitsuhastin is the prime minister of which country
रसिया
रसिया
Russia एडा पढ़िथिला नहीं
अच्छा एटा पड़तला
एटा पड़तो
ठीक अछि तो
आज्ञा
ठीक एग्जाम रे ठीक अछि तो
आज्ञा
ना भूल
भूल
अमरेंद्र भाई भूल मार दे आइछन
पुटिन मारिथियो
मुई पुटिन में
Jose Mulino is the president of which country
पनामा
Panama Jeremiah Manele is the prime minister of which country Jeremiah Manele gote islands Solomon Islands who has been appointed as the commandant of National Defense Academy
ये जो गुरचरण सिंह
Gurcharan Singh who has been appointed as chairman of NAFED National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India जेठाभाई भरबद प्रदीप कुमार सिन्हा प्रदीप नटराजन सील नागू
क्या भाई
जेठा भाई जो
जेठाभाई भरबद बिल्कुल नाफेद रो नुआ चेयरमैन हु इज द न्यू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ CII कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री संजीव पुरी is the new president of Confederation of Indian Industry. Who is the new president of Supreme Court Bar Association?
ये जो कपिल सिब्बल
Kapil Sibal. Who is the new chairman of IPCO? Rizwan Koita, Rakesh Singh, Subhranshu Shekhar Acharya, Dilip Sanghani.
दिल्ली से
Dilip Sanghani, chairman of IPCO. Who is the chief executive officer CEO of Paytm Money? Mallika Nadda, Rakesh Singh, संजय कुमार मिश्र, शुभ्रांशु
राकेश सिंह
शेखर आचार्य,
राकेश सिंह राकेश सिंह
राकेश सिंह। हु इज द वाइस चीफ ऑफ नाval स्टाफ? कृष्ण
ये जो
स्वामीनाथन।
कौन स्वामीनाथन कृष्णा
कृष्ण
स्वामीनाथन
स्वामीनाथन, बिल्कुल। वाइस एडमिरल कृष्णा
Krishna
स्वामीनाथन,
Pranathan.
वाइस चीफ ऑफ नाval स्टाफ। Who is the chairman and managing director of NSIC, National Small Industries Corporation? संजय कुमार मिश्र, हितेश कुमार सेठिया, शुभ्रांशु शेखर आचार्य, मल्लिका नड्डा।
सुब्रन शेखर आचार्य
शुभ्रांशु शेखर आचार्य एनएसआईसी ର ନୂଆ सीएमडी। ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସୋଲାର ଏନର୍ଜିର ନୂଆ ଡିରେକ୍ଟର ଜେନେରାଲ କିଏ? ଅତନୁ ଚକ୍ରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ, ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀକାନ୍ତ ରାଓ, ସଞ୍ଜୀବ ନୋଟିଆଲ, ମହମ୍ମଦ ରିହାନ।
Sanjeev Notial.
Dr. Mohammad Rihan is the new Director General of National Institute of Solar Energy. Who is the new MD CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Lakshmikant Rao, Atanu Chakraborty, Hitesh Kumar Sethia, Sanjeev Notial.
संजीव नोटियाल
संजीव नोटियाल, बिल्कुल। युवराज सिंह एसोसिएटेड with which sports?
Cricket.
Cricket. यूनाइटेड नेशंस रेसिडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर टू इंडोनेशिया किए ହେଇଛନ୍ତି? एस्ट्रिड स्कोमेकर, गीता सभरवाल, साइनी विल्सन, इंगमार डेभोस।
गीता
गीता
सबरवाल।
सबरवाल
गीता सभरवाल, यूनाइटेड नेशंस रेसिडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर टू इंडोनेशिया। भोकिला बुलारी। କହିବ ହେଲା one word. Not able to produce children. Gravid, hebetic,
इम्पोर्टेंट
fecund, sterile.
Sterile.
स्टेराइल
Sterile, बिल्कुल। A funeral poem. Elegy, sonnet, parody, pandemonium.
Sonnet.
एलएजी एलएजी एलएजी
Elegy, elegy, elegy. One who walks in sleep. Drover, fastidious,
So-
somnambulist.
Somna.
Somnambulist.
Somnambulist.
somnambulist
Somnambulist. A person who talks too much of himself. Egoist, egotist, emetic, elite.
Egotist.
इगोटिस्ट
Egotist, बिल्कुल। The act of speaking irreverently about sacred things. Bellicose, blasphemy, atheist,
Blasphemy.
defection.
ब्लास्फेमी ब्लास्फेमी
Blasphemy.
Blasphemy, बिल्कुल। सम्मान न करिकी कहवा, blasphemy. A person who is blamed for the wrongdoings of others.
Scapegoat.
Buster, scapegoat, phlegmatic,
Scapegoat.
स्केपगोट
scapegoat. That which cannot be corrected. Impregnable,
Incorrigible.
incorrigible, incorrigible. Decay of organic matter producing a fetid smell. Virgin, neoteric, crisp, putrefy.
पुट्रीफाई
Putrefy, बिल्कुल। Spelling. କହିବନି ନା କ'ଣ spelling?
Putrefy.
ହଁ, putrefy.
Putrify.
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି। PUTREFY. PUTREFY. Next. One skilled in telling stories. Tyro, ventral, fanatic, raconteur.
Fanatic.
फनाटिक
Fanatic.
Raconteur, raconteur. 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 One skilled in telling stories. Raconteur. Fear of fire. arson phobia, astrophobia, astraphobia, arhen